Let's get my life together. Woke up. I'm taking this drink by Bloom. So good. I love to take it in the morning now. It's literally part of my routine and just makes me feel so much better, especially in the mornings. I have not been having any energy because of the wedding week and everything, so this will like get my immune system and all of that stuff back together because it's just been a mess, and I feel like my body wants to get sick because of all the stuff we've been doing with the wedding and stuff like that. We've just had so much, so this is definitely what I need to boost my energy, help bloating and digestion. Go check it out in the description if you're interested. Guys, I've been putting off skincare for so long, ever since I started wedding planning. Like, I've literally just been putting this on my face, so today I'm gonna be putting a little bit more just because my skin has really been needing it. Like, actually, like I said, emotions take a toll. Like, I was nervous, I was excited, I was all of it, and now I am officially married, and I literally cannot even process it. If I told my younger self that I was about to get married or that I am married, she would not believe. Just never thought I would get married. Like, I honestly never thought that. So the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the Bioma Hydrate and Repair Serum, and it's just a hydrating serum I used to use when I lived back at my mom's, and now we're like in this house and I don't even know like how I'm even filming already in this house. Like, I get to finally get back to my normal content and film. And then I'm gonna use the Aveeno Rescue Relief treatment. So today I'm just going to be cleaning the house and writing down my goals for the year because I really haven't done that since the beginning of the year still. Like, it's really never too late. If you haven't done that stuff yet, do it so you could look back one day and like try to be motivated. I feel like writing goals literally makes you motivated, at least for me. So I will be doing that because I do that every year. I just didn't have time since my wedding was literally in the beginning of the year and I really didn't have time to focus on myself. Down below some videos you guys want to see from me in the upcoming future in this house, because obviously there's going to be a lot more of new content. I have been filming moving vlogs, but I have like a couple more things that I have to film of like us moving in. A bathroom makeover. Our closet is terrible. Like, actually it looks so bad. Comment down below if you guys like going in a flow or if you guys like being in a routine. For me, I like being in a routine, obviously you guys can tell, but I know some people just like doing whatever they want. Sometimes they do something different every day, but I just like planning out my stuff the night before and then getting it all done in the morning because it just makes me feel so much better. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just clean the house, deep clean it, because I haven't been here for like 4 days because of the wedding. So I've just been needing to do a lot of cleaning. Also, one, to not get me sick because it's kind of gross living in a house that's like not clean for a while. And even before I left, I barely cleaned the house, so it's just like a huge mess in here. I'm going to start off by cleaning our room, which I'm going to show you guys kind of like a mini little tour because I literally never did like anything, like a video to film of our room. So here is our room. We have the king size bed. I absolutely love it. It's from Etsy. I had this bed before in my old room and just got a bigger size because of me and Caleb now that we're married. These pillow covers I got from Amazon, and then I also got this from Amazon. And yeah, I also got the same nightstand for this room as I had like before, so I just got an extra one. And then this lamp is from Target. Added like a little storage stool on the side because it just made it look so much cuter. And then Caleb really has the same thing going on here. I just have Mel's little spot to sleep in right here. And then this big mirror that is from IKEA. Our dresser, which is from IKEA, which is honestly a huge mess because this broke off the other day and I'm honestly so upset about that, but we might just get a new one. As you guys can tell, I have been trying to get into like a neutral beige color since it's just me and Caleb. I'm not gonna put like pink stuff and like posters up on the wall, which I wish I could, but Caleb's obviously not into that, so I try to make it neutral and something that we both would like, and I absolutely love this way much more than what I was thinking before with posters pictures up on the wall. This wall is pretty empty, so we're probably gonna add like some frames of our wedding, which we're still waiting for the pictures. So once we get that, we're gonna look for frames and put them up on this wall. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna stop talking now and start cleaning this room. Now it's time to clean the tables, just wipe down the tables. I can literally see dust around over here and on the mirror. So we're just gonna deep clean and wipe these tables down. So now I'm gonna clean the guest bathroom because honestly it just does not look good. There's literally no towel right here because we had to go clean it, and I literally have an extra one, so I'll just add one. Clean the toilet, wipe the sink down, all that stuff. Guys, we got this little incense for the bathroom from Home Goods, and it's literally so good. We get so many compliments from it. Definitely recommend adding one of those in the bathroom just so that it smells good, so you don't have to like keep spraying those debris or anything like that. But anyways, let's get started with cleaning this bathroom. Now what I'm going to do is write down goals for 2024. So obviously it's the end of January and it's already 2024. Seems like it could be too late to write down goals, but it's totally not. So I'm going to be doing it because I haven't had the time to do that, and I always do that every year. So I'm going to write it down in my journal, and it's basically just writing down things that you really want to accomplish in the near future, which literally gives you motivation. At least for me, I get motivation when I want to accomplish something, so it's not like boring or anything. So I'll write down things that I want to do, like travel. If there's anything with my YouTube that I want to reach a milestone with, I'll do that. I'll write that down. So I'll literally just categorize it by lifestyle, social media, traveling, and then I'll add like bullet points underneath those categories. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but alright, so I'm going to share a couple that I wrote down. So for lifestyle, I put working out more because I honestly have not been working out recently. I think I stopped for like 4 months because of all the wedding planning and moving into this new house. And now that we're building our gym, it's looking a lot better and I can finally get back to working out, because I usually would work out in my mom's house, and since we've been going back and forth with moving, I just literally have not had time to be on a routine. Like I said, like working out, all this stuff. So working out is definitely one of my priorities. Drinking more water because I do not drink water. I literally suck at it recently, so I definitely need to drink more water. Make more plans with my friends because I haven't seen them in a while, and some literally just moved up to here, so I just want to make more plans with them, go out more. Staying in a healthy routine basically means, which what I wrote down is waking up at 7 a.m. or sleeping early like 9 through 10 p.m. just before those times would be great. I honestly don't struggle with sleeping early. Like I just have been struggling recently because of everything. So I'm super excited to get back onto the routine of like sleeping early and waking up early. And the last one is going on walks, because I absolutely would love going on walks when I used to live in my mom's, and we would just walk Mel. So I really want to go back to walking Mel outside because I definitely think she misses going outside and going on walks, you know, being on that routine before she goes to sleep. So definitely go on more walks, maybe in the morning or nighttime. So for social media, I want to post more videos on YouTube. So like 2 videos per week would be like literally such an amazing goal for me to reach. So if I can do that, I would be so proud of myself, because I definitely struggle with posting more than 2 videos. But now that I'm living in my own house, I think it might be more easier since I have my own space and I'll be in a routine. So that probably won't be hard for me. Definitely want to be more active on TikTok because I've been seeing a lot of lifestyle videos, and I just want to film those type of videos where I'm in a routine, like waking up early or just like even cleaning the house type of videos. If you like those type of videos, definitely go check out my TikTok because I'm definitely definitely gonna be filming more videos like that this year. For traveling, I would love to go to Italy for like maybe my birthday, and I would love to go to the Maldives, which we are going in May for our honeymoon. So we're going on a big honeymoon, and then we're going on our mini honeymoon in like 2 days, which is gonna be like somewhere in Florida nearby. I'm going to change my wallpaper on my computer. So this is what my wallpaper looks like. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but I have December wallpaper still up on my computer. It's literally so embarrassing because it's January. It's literally about to be February and I still have not changed my wallpaper. So basically what this is, for those that don't really get this, it's where I just make a wallpaper. I get pictures from Pinterest and then create a wallpaper on Canva and just like add a bunch of pictures that I want my month to look like, if that makes any sense. So if in February I want to travel somewhere for Valentine's Day, I put that specific place that I want to travel to, whether that be the beach or anything like that. If there's a goal that I want to reach, like walking more or going more on runs, I'll look for pictures on Pinterest that's like aesthetically pleasing and then put that on a wallpaper. And so that when I log into my laptop every morning or like every time I'm about to like edit, I'll see that picture and it kind of just like reminds me to do those goals instead of like going on my notes or my journal, trying to remind myself that I have those goals that I want to reach. Instead, I just look at my wallpaper, and this one's monthly, so it's like a monthly type of thing that I want to reach. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. I know it might not make sense, but I'm literally gonna make this for this end of month. So like for this end of month, we are traveling to the beach just for like our mini honeymoon. And so I'm just gonna add pictures like that, or like going back into a routine, because this is like the first time I'm gonna be going back to a routine. I literally feel like I've been saying this so much, but so here is the final finished January wallpaper. I absolutely love how it turned out. Like literally looks so perfect and exactly what I'm gonna be doing for this month. Like for example, we are going to the beach for our mini honeymoon and it's kind of like right in front of the beach. Like the house is literally right in front and there's a pool, so it's gonna be really nice. I want to start eating healthy, getting more flowers for the house. This is a bathroom picture because I definitely do want to get our bathroom together since it's all a mess since we've been moving in. So I just want to organize everything in the bathroom, and there is going to be a video coming up with that. I want to get a computer maybe sometime soon, probably next month, but I just added that in there for like some motivation. This is a nightstand picture. I just want to organize the inside of my nightstand because everything is thrown in there and it's not what I want it to look like. More healthy food, a room picture, something just with more plants. But yeah, that's kind of my January wallpaper. I absolutely love it and it has a lot of color to it and definitely will motivate me for the end of this month. I definitely recommend making a wallpaper. Literally won't regret it, and it's something fun to do, just grabbing pictures from Pinterest if you already like Pinterest. Okay, so now I'm gonna do some self-care. So basically just doing things that are gonna make me feel better because I honestly haven't been feeling like I've been taking care of myself. So just doing face masks. I wanna try this coconut oil thing for your teeth, which I've heard that is really good. And we'll talk about that later. I'm gonna start with face mask. I don't know which face mask to start off with. I don't know if I should go with the balloon one, which is exfoliating, or the pore clarifying clay mask, or this Fenty Beauty one that I just got sent to me, and it's called the Cherry Dove. So I don't know which one to do. I think I'm gonna go with the gentle exfoliating mask because I feel like I do need some exfoliating. I think self-care is so important, especially when you're going through it. Like I'm not going through it right now. I'm just living like literally my dreams. I just got married this year. 2023 was literally so good for me. I've learned so many things in the past years, and now I really feel like I've grown up because I have my own house now. I am married. I don't even know how this even happened. Like generally I don't know how I feel about all this, but like I'm so happy and excited for the future because we have definitely a lot of good things coming up in the future to focus on. And traveling wise, we were so excited. I say this in like every video, but I feel like self-care is so important, no matter if it's going to get a facial or if it's taking a bath at home, taking a shower, doing your everything shower, face mask, all of that stuff that's gonna make you feel better is important to do. And for me, I just love doing face masks because it just makes my skin feel so soft and I feel like accomplished accomplished after it. I also love doing everything showers. They're literally the best. Like if you haven't done an everything shower where you shave, exfoliate your skin, do a body scrub, do a hair mask, shave your legs, shave everything, you should do it now because it literally makes you feel so much better, especially before you go to sleep. It's the best thing ever, and I want to do like an everything shower video. I feel like that would be really nice. You know what? I'm gonna add this one too. So the pore clarifying clay mask. I'm just gonna add this onto my skin. I feel like the other one has no color to it, and I love when it has color to it. It just feels like I put something on my face and I'm doing a face mask. I think the worst part is taking off the face mask. This is not looking cute. It looks like soap on my face. I think it's because of what I put before. All right, I'm gonna now try this. So basically what this is called that I'm gonna do is called oil pulling. You basically just put it in your mouth with a spoon. So I got a spoon ready. Put a spoonful in your mouth and then you swish it in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm not literally gonna do 20 minutes. That's literally so long. Like I'm literally just gonna do 15 minutes because I don't even think I'm gonna be able to do 15 minutes. I cannot have that in my mouth for 15 minutes without talking. So I'm gonna try my best to do it. I just searched up what it does, and it reduces the risk of gum disease since it like already removes bacteria. So that's what it would do, and any disease with like tooth decay and bad breath and stuff like that. So we're gonna try to do, because like, is this supposed to look like this? I'm like talking to you guys as if you guys were on FaceTime. Tell me why that was honestly low-key gross. If you've done it before, you know how disgusting that is. The first time you put it in your mouth, like the texture is so nasty, and then you start getting used to it, but then it's just like, I want to vomit. I just wanted to get out of my mouth. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Literally, look at my tripod that I just did to do this video. Comment down below videos you guys would like to see from me. These are just some of the things that I did to just kind of get my life back together, like cleaning, some self-care, literally not that much self-care, but a little bit just to get back. I feel like baby steps is the way to go. You can't do everything all at the same time because you could get exhausted too. So I just try to clean most of the house. I did a face mask, talked to you guys, just relaxed for a little bit, wrote down my goals, things that I was also needing to do, but also makes me feel like accomplished when I'm done with it. So yeah, stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm so excited to be filming my regular videos in this house finally. Comment down below also if you guys want to get ready with me because I'll definitely do that for you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if this motivated you or something that you're doing to reset or to get your life back together. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.